Alright, back in the workshop again. Always feels good to be back in the workshop. Today we are sweeping the floor. We're going to sweep the floor first. Then we're going to sharpen these, even though I don't really know how to sharpen them. I'm just going to pretend I do, and then we're going to do that. And then we're going to mount the brackety things on the wall with more bits of stick, because I still haven't bought plugs, but that's fine. Anyway, let's get on with this.
No, stop.
What?
That's very boring. Nobody wants to see you sweeping the floor.
Why wouldn't they want to see this?
That's not what they come here for. Yeah, they want to see you matting sparks and stubbing your toe on things, but not sweeping the floor.
Alright. Right, let's mount these brackety things. Whole lot of bits of stick. Right, now y'all should remember this from last time. Take a bit of stick, hammer in a bit of stick, until a bit of stick breaks off. Then fetch a screw thing. You're going to need one of these. Now you take the brackety thing, and your phone rings, stop working. Right, finish on the phone. Where were we? Oh yeah, take brackety thing, put it near the hole that you made, and then try and fit the big screwdriver thing in the way. Just hurt yourself. Right, levelly thing, put levelly thing like so. Smack the thing. Righto, that's two, one there, and one over there. Done. Now we're going to get a line thingy and put it between. What do they always teach you at building school? When you can't find builder's line, use fishing gut. They didn't teach you that, but just pretend they did. Then I sound professional. I dropped it down there. Got it. Stretch line, further, till you reach the other side of the workshop. And it's tight. I seem to have run out of a bit of stick. More bit of stick. Your level. I've done this 4 times now. So if you're getting bored, metal bit number 1. Ah, take that, you bit of metal. We forgot to get rid of the fishing line. Ah, Wasn't expecting that one, were you? So as you can see, we have a whole range of lengths of bits of steel, and they all fit because of my amazing design thing. It's working. Spot on. Tidy up time. Right, that is it for today's episode. Again, we did a bunch of sweeping, and then we did a bit of sharpening, which wasn't very professional. I think I did it wrong, but it should work anyway. And then we put up our steel brackety shelfy things, which now have bits of steel things on them. So it's a success, even though it's a little bit lopsided. But all in all, it's a straight line, which is very important. Not really. Anyway, now I'm going to hand it over to Nobody 1 and Nobody 2, whoever those guys are. Anyway, cheers.
Good boy, he's learnt not to mess with it.
Good boy. Hey, learnt not to try and mess with our outro.
Yeah, well, we told him last time with that bit of towel.
Are you still going on about the bit of towel? I don't think it's really that important.
Well, it did teach him, so it worked.
Yeah, I suppose. Anyway, we better say,
I want to do the buy this time. You always get to do the buy thing. I'm doing the buy thing now.
alright, go for it.
Okay, and we got...
Yeah, you see, it's not quite as easy as you thought. You see, I'm more professional, so I should do it.
No, I can do it. I just wasn't really concentrating.
The viewers are getting tired of looking at a black screen, so would you get on with it?
Okay, bye.
Is that all you're going to say?
Yeah, bye.
Oh, alright.
Cheers.